Okay, so I'm going to go through my example to help you if you want to watch. So I just took a picture of a Diet Pepsi bottle, and here is my 12-digit UPC code, and I just copied it right here. Okay. I left the last number, the check digit number, off to the right. So to do the formula, you're going to take 3 times all of the odd numbers. So I put an arrow under the first, the third, the fifth, the seventh, the ninth, and the 11th numbers. Okay, so I just put those in a parenthesis. Then you're just going to add once all of the even numbers. So those are the ones that are not with the arrow. So the second number, I'm going to circle them. Okay, and I put those all in this parenthesis. I just typed them all into a calculator. Please use a parenthesis if you're doing this all together. You can do them separately as well, but you just want to add up all the odds, triple it, and then add up all the even digits. And you should get a total. So that's what you're going to put up in the box for your total, okay? So then to verify the check digit number, you need to figure out how much more is needed to get to the next multiple of 10. So since I have 44, I want to know how much more is needed to get to 50. So I need 6, okay? Well, to compare to the check digit number, 6 is the check digit number. So they do match, which means that this UPC is valid, okay? So sometimes people can create their own barcodes. That's a whole nother video. We're not going to do that in this class, but some people create fake barcodes. There's a lot of things going on, and so this kind of helps determine if the item is valid or not. All right, okay, thanks. Good luck.